Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. Today I'm bringing you this LG Tone Free model FP9. There are two high-end model, FP8 and FP9. FP8 actually has the wireless charging, but unfortunately FP9 doesn't have it. But there's a unique feature in FP9 which doesn't not applicable to FP8, which is the plug and wireless. So this allows you to plug into any traditional like laptops, radios, or your games controller that supports a 35mm headphone jack, and convert this casing into Bluetooth receiver. So basically you can utilize the earbuds as wireless earbuds. So you're converting those traditional gadgets into this more advanced wire Bluetooth support. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, out of the box. So it says tone at the front. You have basically a UV nano charging, a light indicator that actually shows you when you plug in your wire. It will actually shows you the sanitizing UV nano light. Okay, so as you can see, so now it's charging, so you have a charging light, and then you have a UV nano light as well. So this is actually showing that it's actually sanitizing the earbuds for you. So the earbuds will only sanitize once you plug in the power. Okay, for FP9 and FP8, once you put in the wireless charging, it will do the same thing. So sorry. So let's have a look inside. So this is how the earbuds looks like. Okay, it's a very gorgeous design. You can see the blue lights is actually for aesthetic purpose. It's not really the UV nano, because UV nano lights you can't actually see it. So you can see that the earbuds is actually very small. Okay, it's very comfortable to wear. Okay, and the best thing is it actually helps you to sanitize once you put it back into the box and when you charge it. Okay, so the pairing to your phone is very straightforward and simple. Once you start pairing it, it will ask you to update to latest firmware. Okay, so you can do that. I'm gonna try this out and see how it's worked for me and whether it's suitable for you or not. So you can see here, once I turn this on, okay, so and I can plug in the 35mm jack into any other traditional more that doesn't support the Bluetooth connection. So in the box you have two. This is for charging, okay, and this is the 35mm jack, okay, which to USB. So you plug into the USB and then you can plug into your other speakers, radio, you know, or even to my laptop for conferencing. So I don't have to pair using the Bluetooth, because some laptops are using older version of Bluetooth. So this can actually works very well for those who is on the go, or I can plug into the to the audio jack of the airplane, you know, or on the train. Yeah, so this is very useful. So let me think what you think. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, it's a gorgeous design, and it's designed for comfort. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day.